Today's review will be yet another crappy Sonic game. This time it's Sonic Advance 2. Now, you may think this game looks good because of the intro, but it's not. There's two modes. Game Start, which you go through the game as you normally would, and Time Attack, which can do any level. I'll show you Time Attack. Now you have to rescue the characters in this game. That's stupid. You can't just unlock them differently instead of rescuing them. Now what's up with that starting line at the beginning of the level? Is this a race? No. It's not Supersonic Racing. Good thing, because that game was crap. But this one is even worse. Now in this game, one of the good points, even though it's a bad game, is that do a rail grinding trick. You have to do some advanced moves, but on here, you just need to jump up on the rail and you'll grind it. That's one of the very few good things about this game. They've introduced a new obstacle. Now the bosses are even more frustrating in this. I will show you one of the first bosses. Using Sonic. This game can be confusing. You can do some new moves in this game. That's one of the good things. But this game is pretty bad overall. The graphics aren't much of a big improvement from Sonic Advance. And sometimes this game feels rushed. The bosses are even worse. Running the bosses. You have to battle them on the run. I thought this was Sonic. I would not recommend buying this game. Even used $5. It's not worth it. You'll be returning this piece of crap game in about a week. Or if you get sick of this game, very soon after getting it, most likely you'll bring it back within 4 days. But that's not the point. The point is, the boss attacks are annoying. I will show you. The first boss is especially hard. This is the second one. Look at that. Sometimes you can get too close to the tank, or whatever it is, when you don't have much range. Point is, this game is crap. I don't recommend buying it. I give it a 2 out of 5. But only because it has better music. Other than that, there's nothing good about this game.